We're doing it on Omega. This is episode 366, part 1. Where the? Tri-bridage versus NUMERON. I lost this. Game 1 and 2. Zyres. Fractal Kit, Skullmeister. But I had a Nerval, make it off, and then Nerval's effect, had Karis, dump, Radpier, special, and then banish those two. Bearbrum. I think I could have went into Apollosa here. I don't know why I didn't go to Apollosa. Jesus. I went to I don't think I could have. I probably would have. Duragite. Bearbrum. Get the Revolt. Set a couple. Had to use a Revolt. Shireg, no banish, nothing to banish. I get ashed by Nerval's effect. We'll get to dump. Nerval, Kit, NUMERON wall, NUMERON network, NUMERON calling. Calling's gonna get the 4. NUMERON gates. Almirage. Omen. Can't be destroyed by card effects. It's gonna attack. It's gonna take 16. It's gonna activate effect. But their effects can be activated with NUMERON network instead of detaching. And they double their attack. After they attack a monster, they can't be destroyed by battle. Attack, double, and I just scooped from there. Yeah. Round 2. Enki, Fractal, Kit. Skullmeister. Oh, the birds. Nerval. Most on the Nerval, I get Lanceiad. Linked it up for Almirage. And get a Nerval's effect, add Karis. Discard. Kit? I think I had Kit. NUMERON network. Oh, we had it in the hand. Wow. Almirage. I should have just kept it and used used 4. And I would have took like 2,000 instead of 4,000. Yeah, I would have took 2,000. Damn it. And then I was like, man, I should have saved Strike, but I thought he was gonna go to Megaclops. He didn't go to Megaclops. He went for Avermax. Fractal. 4 for Shireg. Very tough decision here. Like, which one do I go for, right? Banished, did some damage, and that's it. this deck had Nightmare Phoenix, like, come on. That Nightmare Phoenix. I would cut the Zeus though. And then the NUMERON shenanigan right there. Oh. Oh, just scooped it. God dang it. He has no deck. No. Let's go online. See the rank. I was at 1507. I'm back to silver at 1491. Still at 186. Comment, share, like if you subbed it, sub if you liked it. See you guys.